Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your Instagram stories. So I'm just going to select an image real quick, like a background. Let's choose this one right here. Then I'm going to select stickers and I'm going to add in a photo here. So go to photo and I'm going to add in this one. I'm going to tap the heart-shaped one and I'll just place it up here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller though. Go to the stickers tab again, press cancel, and add in a GIF. So go to GIF or GIF or whatever you call it and type in heart gold, and I'm going to just resize it and I'm going to place it on top of that one. Okay, I'm just going to, I need to resize it a little bit more. I'm just trying to fit it with the shape. Try to fit it as best you can. Then you can add in a lyric video once you're done, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!